Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is nouns for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Way. Are you sure that we are going the right way? One way, two ways. This one means a group. Bunch. A bunch of carrots. Might be 8 or 10. A bunch of ideas. A bunch of people. One bunch. Two bunches. There is no asking Bob to help. He won't help us. He won't do it. Use. With the S sound. Use. There's no use asking Bob to help. He won't help us. We had a real when we were driving yesterday. This means you were frightened and you almost had an accident. A scare. Scare is a noun. Here, they work in the. This means they are making things like houses or bridges or roads. Construction. They work in the construction industry. What's the with Bob? This means what is wrong with Bob? Why is he angry or upset? Matter. What's the matter with Bob? Matter is a noun here, and it has many meanings. Please check the dictionary and read the whole entry. Their parents have a lot of in this town. This means they have a lot of influence. And the second missing letter is a U. Pull. Pull is a noun here. It means influence. They are probably quite powerful and they know many important people. The boss would like to have her on this issue. It means the boss wants to know what she thinks and what her recommendations are. Input. The boss would like to have her input on this issue. We also use it in computers. We talk about input and output. This is a wildlife sanctuary. It means a place that is protected for animals. Equals, this is a wildlife. Same meaning but a different word. Reserve. This is a wildlife reserve. Reserve is a noun here. It also has more meanings. Please check the dictionary and read the whole entry. Jennifer had an yesterday. This is when you come up with an idea, but it occurs later. Afterthought. It's a thought, but it occurs later. Bye-bye.